Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Ford Fusion Taurus. The ABS module was replaced with the used one. A friend called me. He said, if everything is enough, I say no. Check engine light. It may come on, or you're gonna get a code for VIN mismatch. So let's using Ford tools, and we're gonna go and reprogram this module. If it's the same module, we will be able to reprogram it, and it will work. Let me see if I can get a video recording for the screen also. Okay, I'm gonna record this one to know if you need to work with it. But I'm gonna go here, and it's Ford VCM2 that I'm communicating with. And try to communicate with the car, and we will go to diagnose and program the same time. Stay with us. The integrated diagnosis software is working. Okay, here you see we have ABS codes, slippery codes. I'm just gonna wait for it to come up. You have to be patient sometime, but I'm not gonna go with this one. I'm gonna close this because that's all the car. I don't need no session for any job I did before. New session, all others, continue. Try to communicate with the car, which is possible. This thing is supposed to go fast. When it's come to the center, it will go chew to the 45, yes. That means it's healthy and communicate. Now communication is okay. I would say yes. Ford Fusion 2013. Say yes. VCM2. I don't want to do anything here. I'm just waiting for the system to upload. Take good time. We're gonna wait. It takes some time, but let's go to the next. Okay, now I'm gonna come here. This is a VIN number. Do you want to do the test? I will do all modules. Yes, it takes some time, but it's better to do the test to see what's going on. Just be patient, it takes some time. Okay. We're gonna see what code we have. Everything passed. If you come here, you see we have ABS. This time here. Okay. Go up, down. Okay. ABS here. Okay. 0023, I don't see it here. But here, vehicle configuration, identification number, left front wheel speed sensor is no good, which is good idea. So the other stuff all you code, invalid data receive, all these codes, Sterman cluster, invalid data, invalid data, invalid data, invalid data, invalid data, invalid data, invalid data. So what I need to do, I go here and then go to programming, double click on programming. Okay, what do you need to do? Programming installation. Okay, ABS, no. Just go to as-built data. ABS. Ignition is on. Okay, VIN to VIN. You see here I have 5540. This is the car information. Yes, I need this. Let me get the key. Where is the ignition? Because we have a problem with this key here. You see here? This key is broken. So, are you? No. Continue. Automatic. We're gonna retrieve as-built data with the VIN number. That's where it's very important. Retrieve data successful, you see? So go to next. Ignition is on. Just not car not running, but ignition must be on. Okay. Configure weight. You see all the light disappear. This support is disappear. But only problem we're gonna have if we have ABS sensor. Configuration is done. Okay. 0. Okay. Let me put the key on, see what I have. Everything gone. So let me go to my codes and clear the codes. I'm going to clear everything. Clearing all the codes. You see everything is disappeared. After I clear the code, I will see what I have. See what is available. After that, if everything is okay, we're good to go. This is when you change the anti-lock brake module with the used one. You see everything pass. We have no code at all. Everything pass. So we are good to go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you. Also fix your key.